Are you struggling with weight management and maintaining a healthy lifestyle? It's a common predicament, isn't it? We're here today to navigate the complex world of weight management. This is not just about shedding those extra pounds, but also about understanding how to maintain a healthy lifestyle in the long run. In this video, we will unravel the different strategies that can help you manage your weight effectively. We'll delve into the importance of diet and nutrition, the role of exercise and physical activity, and how sleep and stress management also play a crucial part in your weight management journey. This is not about quick fixes or fad diets, but about sustainable changes that can improve your overall health. So whether you're trying to lose weight, maintain your current weight, or even gain weight healthily, this video is for you. Now let's not keep you waiting any longer. Let's dive into the first strategy, your diet. Diet plays a crucial role in weight management, but it's not about starving yourself or following fad diets. The key to effective weight management lies in understanding the importance of a balanced and nutritious diet. This doesn't mean adopting a restrictive eating plan or depriving ourselves of the foods we love. Instead, it means nourishing our bodies with a wide variety of foods that provide the nutrients we need to stay healthy and energetic. Let's talk about portion control. It's easy to overeat when we're served large portions, and this is one of the main reasons why people gain weight. We often think we need to finish everything on our plate, but it's essential to listen to our bodies and stop eating when we're full. Using smaller plates and bowls can help us keep our portions in check. Also, it's important to remember that not all calories are created equal. A calorie from a sugary soda is not the same as a calorie from a piece of fruit. This brings us to our next point: choosing nutrient-dense foods over calorie-dense foods. Nutrient-dense foods are high in nutrients but relatively low in calories. They include fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and legumes. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and other nutrients our bodies need to function properly. On the other hand, calorie-dense foods like fast foods, sugary drinks, and processed snacks provide many calories but few nutrients. Hydration is another crucial aspect of diet that often gets overlooked. Water plays a significant role in maintaining our body's balance of fluids, controlling calories, and even helping with weight management. Drinking enough water keeps us feeling full, so we're less likely to overeat. Plus, it aids in digestion and absorption of nutrients, ensuring our bodies get the most out of the foods we eat. So, let's shift our focus from dieting and deprivation to balanced and mindful eating. It's about making healthier choices most of the time, eating a variety of nutrient-dense foods, practicing portion control, and staying hydrated. Remember, it's not about deprivation but about balanced and mindful eating. In addition to a nutritious diet, physical activity is a key component of weight management. The importance of regular exercise cannot be overstated. It's like the secret sauce in your recipe for a healthy lifestyle, a vital ingredient that boosts your metabolism and helps you burn those extra calories. The beauty of physical activity is that it comes in various forms and intensities, and there's something out there for everyone. Whether you're a fan of high-intensity workouts or prefer a calming yoga session, the world of fitness has got you covered. Let's talk about cardio, our reliable friend that gets our heart pumping and our bodies sweating. Running, cycling, swimming, or even dancing, pick your favorite, and you're on your way to burning calories and improving your cardiovascular health. But let's not forget about strength training. It's not just about building muscles or lifting heavy weights. Strength training plays a crucial role in maintaining muscle mass, especially during weight loss. It helps to increase your metabolic rate, which means you burn more calories even when you're at rest. Flexibility exercises, too, are an integral part of a well-rounded fitness routine. Activities like yoga or Pilates not only improve your flexibility and posture, but also help reduce the risk of injuries and improve your overall performance in other workouts. Remember, the goal here is not to become a marathon runner or a weightlifting champion overnight. It's about finding a physical activity that you genuinely enjoy, something that you look forward to doing. Because when you enjoy what you do, you're more likely to stick with it, making it a sustainable part of your lifestyle. The journey to health and fitness is not a sprint, it's more of a marathon. And while the road may seem long and challenging, the results are worth every drop of sweat. So lace up those sneakers, roll out that yoga mat, or pump up that bicycle tire. Find your rhythm, set your pace, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to physical activity. Another often overlooked aspect of weight management is the impact of sleep and stress. You see, the quality and quantity of sleep you get each night directly affects your body's ability to manage weight. Lack of sleep can throw off your body's hunger hormones, ghrelin, which signals hunger, and leptin, which signals fullness. This imbalance often leads to overeating and weight gain. Now let's talk about stress. When you're under chronic stress, your body goes into survival mode, releasing hormones like cortisol that can lead to weight gain. Stress can also trigger emotional eating, where you reach out for high-fat, high-sugar comfort foods. So how can you manage these? Start by setting a regular sleep schedule and creating a calming bedtime routine. Exercise can also help you sleep better. As for stress, practice mindfulness, deep breathing exercises, or even yoga. Remember, managing stress and getting enough sleep are vital for maintaining a healthy weight. Balancing your body's needs for rest and relaxation is as important as diet and exercise. So, what are the keys to effective weight management and a healthy lifestyle? We've journeyed through the realms of diet and nutrition, exercise and physical activity, and even touched on the importance of sleep and stress management. The first key is balanced and mindful eating. Remember, every morsel you consume plays a role in your health journey. Variety is the spice of life, and the same goes for your diet. A diverse food intake ensures all nutritional needs are met. Next, let's not forget the importance of regular physical activity. A sedentary lifestyle is a silent killer. Engage in activities that make your heart race and your muscles work. Finally, adequate sleep and effective stress management are the unsung heroes in this narrative. They help to regulate your metabolism, keep your appetite in check, and maintain your overall well-being. Remember, it's not about quick fixes, but about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle. You've got this.